Welcome to the SuiteMed short video training series. My name is Dwayne Prejean. I'm going to first go under Setup and choose Bill. And now we have an option here for most used ICD10 code. I'm going to search for my particular code. And if it's one of those that I'm going to use, I'm going to select it and then move it from the left to the right. And if I want to see it in my list, I will put a check mark in that column that is labeled D, and you'll notice the display in drop down. And I'll explain that to you in a second. Save and close, and then I'll close out. And now I'm going to go into the charge posting screen, select my patient. I'm going to pick my CPT, and that process has not changed. And now I'm going to pick my diagnosis. Now, there are three ways to pick a diagnosis. One is type it in direct if you know it. The second is use the drop down, and there it is. It's listed for me because I put that D checkbox. If I didn't, it wouldn't be in my drop down list. And the third way to search for an ICD is simply use the little purple question mark and it opens the standard search screen. Now there are three ways to search for your ICD. You can search from the 9 code to the 10 to the 9, or just a 10 code. I'm going to go to the first tab, which is ICD 9 to 10, and I'm going to type in that old ICD 9 code and then search. It now lists all of those codes that can crosswalk to the ICD 10. I then will pick the appropriate code that I need to for this particular patient and select OK. Essentially, you're done. You'll repeat the process for any other ICD codes that you need to select for your patient. Now let's talk about the little purple question mark, the little search screen. It gives you those three tabs. There is a user parameter that allows you, the user, to select which one you want to see. So all you need to do is go to Setup, choose User Parameters, go up to the search field, type in ICD-10 and filter, and then you get to choose which one you want to see. Now, on one day you might want to search one way, and a different day you'll search on another. By changing this, it only changes your setting. It doesn't change it for any other coworkers. Save it and then close. This concludes this training.